really gonna go yell at Nora?
Yeah. She should be getting ready and about to leave if she's at home.
Oh, okay. Are we close?
Yeah, we're close.
Come out with your fingers in your nose. And there'll be no trouble.
I'm calling her right now, Mom.
Nora, I know you're in there. Nora. She's like upstairs in the very back of the house, actually.
Right? I should have gone in the back.
Nora. Are you meal prepping?
Oh, man.
Nora.
Yeah.
Walmart.
We're gonna go to Walmart and we're gonna do PAs.
Positive affirmations.
On the PA, so we're going to do pawpaws.
All these people are looking at the.
I know. We have an awesome car.
They're not paying attention.
Have a great
Oh,
day.
you're paying attention.
Oh, my
Hello.
God. Oh.
I see you over there.
Tell them it's not their voices in their head. It's me.
It's not the voices in your head.
It's Granny.
It's Granny.
These people are all looking at the van. They're not.
I don't understand why either. It's weird.
You don't understand why?
Yeah, I don't get it. Are you gonna speed up or are you just like in shock? Snap out
Have
of
a great
it.
day. I like the way you whack your weeds. He's weed whacking over there.
Hey.
Is that what you wanted? Yeah, it's like the Minions.
Is that what that is?
Beto, Beto. I like the way you
Oh,
gave her
let's
that
go. Okay.
nail.
Tell them don't jump, don't jump.
Hey, sir up there, don't jump.
It's not worth it.
It's not worth it. Oh, my husband's calling. Hello. Hey. I just told the guys building Pollo Loco on the roof not to jump. It wasn't worth it. Through the PA system. Be careful on that ladder, sir. What are you doing? Oh, okay, cool. What?
Oh,
Yes.
here, tell that guy, huh? Looking good in your hat, dude.
Alright, we'll see you in a little bit. Alright, love you. Bye.
Looking like a gangster back there. Pull your britches up, son.
Who are you talking
That guy with his pants down back
There's
there.
no one.
Alright.
Right there.
Where?
Okay, he's in his car. He checked himself.
Can I spray paint something?
No!
I am later, but not inside of here.
Yeah, that would
I'm
be
gonna spray
terrible
paint. I'm
in
actually
the
gonna spray
car.
paint the top of the roof.
Are you crazy?
Well, yes. I have a certificate.
Feel free to take a picture of us. It's okay, sir. I see you grabbing your phone.
That's what I'm talking about. You make my bells ring.
People are staring at us. It's funny.
Hey, you think you got a hot car? I got a minivan, bitch. Got it over there.
And left.
That's a left. It says left up here. Don't confuse me like that.
He heard it though. Yes, he heard it.
Oh, that was greatness. Okay, what?
Oh, show Grandma the signs. It says slow children at play.
I'm used to that.
It says slow.
Play slowly, children.
Hey, y'all, please play slowly. You're not supposed to be playing fast. Says it on the sign. Obey the law. See how that smells.
How does that smell, sir? You're nipping your steering wheel.
I don't know why he was
I don't either.
He was doing his steering wheel.
Sometimes his
What are
friends
you
started
doing?
laughing so hard.
Oh, hurt myself.
I know. You wish you had stickers too. I'm sorry.
You're naked.
Wow. Have a great day.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
This is my screen coming up.
Say, this is the crazy thing. Okay?
What'd you say, baby?
Say, this is
No, I'm like, oh God, I'm getting stopped. Oh, it's me.
the crazy train, okay?
Beto. Beto. Beto.
Say, this is the crazy
You like Granny's crazy train? Take a ride on the crazy train.
Oh, yeah. Still holding on to something, you should go and love yourself. Someone help.